Alright guys, another night, another car meet in LA, and look at this MK4 Supra. Super clean. It's still early, cars are still coming in, but dang, look at this. Jeez, all black. And here we have a MK5 Supra with neon lights, underglows, and a pink Supra. Lol. Look at that underglow. Oh, someone's getting pulled over.
Illegal peddling, soliciting.
What is it hurting?
You're violating a city law saying that you have to have a permit, one, and then you have to have a business license. Do you have it?
No.
Okay. If you ID,
you can leave.
that'd be great.
Fine, we can just leave and go somewhere else.
That's fine too.
Because obviously there's nothing better for you to do.
Right now, no.
Like, we're not hurting no one. Everyone's just here having a
I
good time.
understand that, but you're violating the law. You need a permit. Okay? You need a sales permit.
Everyone, look, sir, look, everyone's here. Literally, we're having a good time. Everyone's hanging out. We're not acting stupid. We're not doing burnout.
I understand that.
We're not doing
you are
donuts.
violating the law. You need a permit.
So obviously, you're protecting sir, right?
Yep.
Protecting sir?
Yep. The city.
How?
Okay.
How are you protecting
Can I have your ID? So I
Everyone, no, for what? You have no right to have my ID.
You have no right to be here.
Car wash me.
May happen.
Follow him.
No, he already knows I'm here.
Why not?
Okay.
Why not?
Do me a favor.
You're here for the community, right? You're here for the community. The community's here. No, just listen for a second.
I am a representative of the city of your millennium.
You keep talking.
You are violating the law.
That's the law.
Okay.
We're in a parking lot park.
How do you want to do this?
We're in a parking lot
Can I get
park.
your first name?
No. What's your first? What's your badge number?
911.
911.
That's not his badge number, sir.
I'm not gonna be serious.
I'm serious. I'm not.
We're sitting here parked in a parking lot. We're not bothering no one. We're not tearing up the parking lot. We're not doing donuts. We're not doing a takeover. We're not doing nothing. We're silly congregating.
Sir, why didn't you go to the city
Because you guys were denying.
I'm not part of the city.
I've pulled permits and you guys denying.
There's who I am.
That means you can't have the
So then if you guys want us to do it legit, okay, listen to me for a second. Move out the way. You want us to do it legit, right? You want us to do it legit. We go and try to do it legit, you guys shut it down. What are we supposed to do?
So if you had it legit, we wouldn't be shutting you down.
But you guys want to prove it. So if you don't approve it, but we still want to do what we want to do as American citizens.
We didn't do it here. Hey,
As American
what's your first name?
As American citizens, it doesn't matter. Why does that matter to you so much?
Okay.
Why does that matter to you so much?
LL last.
I don't want to talk to you.
Okay.
But we're talking about this reason. Don't try to grab me either. I
want you to look at the
There's a
business
million
card.
cameras out here.
I want you to look at the business card.
I don't need to look at the business card.
Look at the number
You're
on
the
the business
sergeant.
card.
Wow.
I know. Look at the business.
Wow.
Look at the number on the
You're
business
sergeant.
card. Look at the number
You're
on
just
the
a
business card.
sergeant. You're not. That's nothing great.
Let's go.
We're gonna leave.
Okay. Please leave. Otherwise, we're gonna start.
You're a joke, dude. We're gonna leave. We're gonna leave. If you guys, no, stop. Don't touch me. Seriously, don't fucking touch me. Look. If you guys would allow us to do this stuff, move. If you guys would allow us to do this,
you would be allowed to.
we follow the law, and you guys don't care and won't give us nicer, then how are we supposed to keep going?
That means they don't want you here.
But what are we doing right now that's bothering the city?
You're
You have to
violating
take
the
that up
city
with the
ordinance.
city.
No, answer that question. What are we doing right now that's bothering the city?
Right now, you're
How are we hurting the parking lot? How are we hurting the parking lot? How are we hurting the city? How are you protecting the survey right now?
right now. We got.
Is there anybody actually?
What are you protecting?
Okay.
If we're sitting here,
You know what I mean?
everyone's having a good time.
Do you know what a municipal code is?
Hey, you're gonna come back over here.
Nah. He whistles and you go like a fucking dog.
Okay, and see you later, man.
All right, let's get the fuck out of here.
Hey, new Addy on the day.
Why do you wait 2 hours?
Then merge onto California 91 West.